Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto-fit column in Excel worksheet. As if you write words in cells, you need to change the cell's size by yourself. You can adjust cell size automatically by a simple formula. Just right-click on the worksheet and choose the View Code option. After that, from the drop-down menu choose the Worksheet option. Now type cells.entire column.autofit. Close the open window. Now as if you type, all of your cells will adjust automatically. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.